time and distance. Arvind covers a certain distance in 1 hour 30 minutes. He covers 2/3 of it at the rail of 4 kilometers per hour and remaining distance at the rate of 5 kilometers per hour. Find the total distance.
Today's our topic time and distance. Our question number is 41 and 42. Let's see the question. Kim and Om are traveling from point A to B, which are 400 km apart. Travel at certain speed. Kim takes 1 hour more than Om to reach point B. If Kim doubles her speed, she will take 1 hour 30 minutes less than Om to reach point B. At what is the speed was Kim driving from point A to B? Okay, wow. Now the two person traveling from point A to B. Okay, wow. One person name is Kim and another person name is Om. Okay, wow. Kim is travel certain speed. Okay, wow. Kim take 1 hour more than Om. Okay, Kim speed is 1 hour more than 2 Om to reach point B. Now Kim doubles her speed. She will take 1 hour 30 minutes less. Okay, wow. Kim is speed is increased double time. The traveling time is 1 hour 30 minutes less than Om to reach point B. At the what speed was Kim driving point A to B? Finally, speed of Kim traveling from point A to B. Okay, this is a question. Now solve. Total distance 400 km. Now Kim take 1 hour more than Om. Okay, let Om time equal to T hour. Okay, now Kim time equal to T plus 1 because Kim take a 1 hour more than Om. So take a T plus 1. Okay, now calculate speed. Om speed equal to 400 divided by T. Kim speed equal to 400 divided by T plus 1. Why? Om speed equal to 1 hour. Okay, Kim speed equal to 1 hour more than. Okay, so Kim speed equal to 400 divided by T plus 1. Okay, now we have a second condition. Second condition is Kim double the speed. Okay, now Kim was increase the speed. They come to new time. Okay, T plus 1 divided by 2. This is a new time. Okay, now Kim new time 30 minutes or 0.5 hour. Okay, now the condition is 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 13 minutes equal to 0.5 hours less than Om. Now the Kim new time arrived come to Om less than to half an hour. Okay, T1 T plus 1 divided by 2 equal to T minus 0.5 hours. Okay, now the T plus 1 the 2 has go to the this place 2T minus 0.5 into 2. Okay, now the T plus 1 equal to 2T minus 1. This minus 1 2 plus 1 cancel. T equal to 2 hour. Now the condition is Om time 2 hour, Kim time 3 hour. Okay, now find to the Kim speed to point reach A to B. So Kim speed calculate now. Kim speed equal to 400 divided by total time equal to 3 hour. So divided by 400 divided by 3, 133.33. This value has no option in question, so take a nearest value 80 km. Okay, this is the first question answer. Let's see the second question. Rn convert a certain distance in 1 hour 30 minutes. He convert 2/3 of it all the rate of 4 km per hour and remaining distance at the rate of 5 km per hour. Find the total distance. Now the question is Rn certain distance travel unknown distance and the total distance is 1 hour 30 minutes. He convert a two part. Okay, dividing the two split part. One part is 2 by 3 distance, the speed of 4 km per hour. Another split part is 1 by 3 distance. Okay, it is the cover of 5 km per hour. Okay, comparing to distance, 2 by 3 distance is slow speed because the 4 km per hour and 5 km per hour is a 1 by 3 distance. Okay, total distance equal to D. The question is find the total distance, so we want the total distance. Okay, time equal to distance by speed. Okay, time equal to 2D divided by 12 plus D divided by 15. Okay, D equal to now 6 1. Okay, so D divided by 6 plus D divided by 15. Time equal to 1.5. Now take a LCM of 6 and 15. So to take LCM 6 and 15, the answer is 30. Now the condition time equal to distance. Okay, time equal to 5D plus 2D divided by 30 equal to 1.5. 7D divided by 30 equal to 1.5. 7D equal to 1.5 into 30. 7D equal to 45.0. So D equal to 45. The 7 is come to here. 1 7 is 7. 6 7s are 42. Balance 5. Okay. Sorry, balance 4. Okay. D equal to